everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 10th to the 15th of or 14th of November 2025 on Monday. Musa pulls off a fake gun hijacking in Tembisa and ends 40,000 from Antonio, arousing speechless suspicions with his sudden generosity. Honor balances work, success, and tension between Neo and Mambo on Tuesday. Moses' lavish spending raises concern as Soga suspects the money source and confront him, leading to tension. Honor reassures Neo of her love, though he privately admits feeling unsettled by her rising success on Wednesday. After clashing with Soga, Musa takes a risky daylight hijacking job for Antonio. Honor judges agent work and forgets Neo's birthday, leaving him disappointed and alone on his special day on Thursday. Musa's daylight hijacking fails when the cop's wife fights back, leading to his arrest. As his loved one worry, Honor forgetting or Neo's birthday strains their relationship, while Faith shocks everyone by revealing that she's dating Kulubuse on Friday. Moses' arrest deepens as Antonio abandons him and he is moved toward prison, forcing him to propose a desperate deal. Honor makes amends with Neo through a thoughtful gift, though his insecurities about her success persist. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.